To check your order number on Amazon, first open the Amazon website and sign into your account. Next, move your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right corner and click your orders. Since I don't have an order on this account yet, I'll use a picture as an example so you can see where the order number appears. Once you're on the Your Orders page, find the order you want to check and click View Order Details to see the full information. On the Order Details page, look near the top for the order number or order number, which is the unique number assigned to that purchase. You can copy this number if you need it for customer service, returns, refunds, or other order-related questions.